Coyote.
There's a coyote. Kind of early for coyotes.
Yeah?
Yeah. Alrighty guys, this is the second blow of the coffee maker. And well, we already did one blow and it's pretty beat up. So, here we go for the second blow. Let me come down here some more. Don't worry guys, I got a safety rope.
Just one little more piece came off, that's all.
Alrighty, toss it back up to me.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I gotta tie my shoe.
The battery is low, so we really don't have much time.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here we go. Another blow. All right, don't push the button because it's still recording. It's still recording. So, alrighty, here we go. It's already pretty beat up. Here we go again.
2 pieces.
Oh, nice. Alrighty, I think that's good enough for me. Now you need to go turn off the camera.